CRO is pumping at 24 cents. Visa cards are finally launching in Australia. And well guys, Kronos live in just a few more days. Things are looking up. But right now is make or break for CRO. Let me explain this video guys, but first do press the like button and of course press subscribe for future content. I'm GentleCoin and let's go right into the charts. This is the CRO versus US dollar chart. And right now, well, I want to look at what happened since the end of September and right now the beginning of November. So what happened? We went back to a measly 14 cents for CRO. But right now, currently, we are sky high at 24 cents. So that boost, if you actually bought at the end of September, if you bought CRO, well, good luck, congratulations. You're actually up 67%, guys. And for normal finance, that's a crazy boost. Anyway, so why is this so important? To understand the importance, well, guys, we got to zoom out right now and look at the weekly charts. And over here, well, the first thing you see in the chart is this trend. Well, the trend of going up in the CRO value. So what do we see is just a straight line currently. But I want to take a look at the lows because we do see some interesting lows over here. We see this roller coaster ride of CRO price. But I do see one more important thing right now, and this is this. So we had the first part in 2020. We got a nice move upwards, higher low. Then again though, we had the big bull run February 2020 when the alt season started again. Then we had another pump and another dump, but a higher low. Then again, right now, we started to seem to have joined a new phase. Another pump, a small dump, and already pumping again. So we can draw another line. And what do we see right now is that these lines are going progressively stronger and faster. Higher, higher, higher. And that is what you need to understand right now. If you're watching any charts, that in a bull run, things are going parabolic. So what happens? There's a slow increase, but near the end of a bull run, well, things are going, well, parabolic and even straighter. So right now, we're getting near to basically a vertical rise of CRO price. And the more we see this, the more we're coming to the end, well, of a parabolic phase. But the thing is, we don't know when the vertical part ends. But understand right now is one of the most important phases of, well, the bull run and especially for CRO. So in these phases, guys, you'll make the most profit, guaranteed. But also, it's the most risky one if you decide to enter right now. Because guys, this is by no means any financial advice, but if you already have some CRO, well guys, definitely watch the coming months because it's going to be very, very promising. Anyway, so if I take a look though at the daily charts, things are looking a bit less vertical, but you see the same trends appearing right now. We're going more and more and more. That is the current direction we have, and I'm really curious how vertical we can actually get because today has been absolutely pumpalicious with 10% in the plus almost all day long. So that is, of course, pretty great. Anyway, so this is a make or break time, not only because we're doing great on the US dollar scale, also because we're doing really great on the Bitcoin scale. Let me show you the Bitcoin chart. If you've been following the channel, guys, you must know this chart. It's CRO versus Bitcoin. And I drew 3 lines. All these lines are very important resistance and have been tested many times historically. So what happens every time we touch the blue line? Well, we bounce back and got lower in the CRO versus Bitcoin price. But what happened at the red line? Well, we struggled a little bit. Sometimes we bounced up again, but most of the time we broke down. But if we broke down, well, we had support at another level. It was the green line. So we held the green line again and again and again. And the last time, well, in September, I thought we had enough moon juice to actually pump through because we had Kronos coming, really good news coming. So I thought we could actually make it. So I made a video talking about, well, I think we actually broke it, but we did not break it. And we had another, well, fall down. I did warn you, but personally, guys, I think I was a bit too bullish back then. But right now, what I do see currently, so we did not even touch the green line this time. And we started pumping immediately. So again, a higher low. And I personally love these higher lows. Anyway, so these lines are also looking very vertical, but we are touching the blue line very soon. almost guaranteed. This might take a bit of time. We can actually go down a little bit and, go up again, but we will touch the blue line again. The question is, will we this time break it? Because you need to understand right now, we have been underperforming with CRO. If you compare against Bitcoin, if you compare against Ethereum, guys, CRO has not been doing that well. So right now, it is a time to escape this, very narrow corridor and go, to a discovery phase. In the past, CRO has been very, very high. So we have still some way to go. And if we actually start pumping from over here right now, let's say we go back to the previous highs of Bitcoin. We can actually see a 300% increase, so a 3x. That will mean right now we're at 24 US dollar cents, going to 75 cents. That is going pretty, near to my estimate of $1 near the end of the year. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, so far the news is really good. I don't know if you've seen the latest commercial yet of Crypto.com with Matt Damon, but it's being great. So the Crypto.com app is being the #1 in many countries. We got the Visa card launching in Australia, like I mentioned in the beginning. And while it might not be an immediate pump, so people in Australia are slowly staking for their cards. So that means more CRO is being locked up. And therefore, there's less supply available and the price should be going up. Anyway, so much fundamental good news. So much happening right now, guys. And I do personally believe it is definitely make time. But if we do not make it this time, we're probably going to break down in favor of other coins. So stay tuned, guys. I will keep you up to date. If you want to see more, definitely hit the subscribe button. And of course, if you like this video, hit the like button. Anyway, that is me. That is Gentle Coin. And I hope to see you in a future video. Till the next time.